Hello all, welcome to this session. In the previous session, I have explained what is software testing. Now, in this session, I am going to explain purpose of software testing. What is the purpose of software testing? That is, why software testers need to perform testing of the software which is developed by the developers. What is the real reason? What is the main agenda of performing software testing? I am going to cover in this session. The main purpose or main agenda of why software testers have to perform software testing is to improve or improve and increase the quality of the software. Quality of the software. So how software testers, by performing software testing on the application or software which is developed by the developers, will actually improve or increase the quality of the software. Let me explain. Let's say the developers have developed this particular software. Okay? The developers have developed or built this particular software. Developers have built or developed this particular software. Now, testers will come into picture next. Testers will come into this picture where they will check whether this particular developed software by developers is properly or correctly developed by the developers or not is a question that comes into the tester's mind. So with that note, testers will keep checking this particular software to see whether the developers have developed it properly or not. If not, if not, or if testers find some deviations or problems in the way the developers have built this particular software, testers are going to report defects. Report defects. Defects are nothing but the problems in the software. The mistakes that developers have made while developing the software are reported in the form of defects by testers. So once these defects are reported by testers, they will be assigned to the developers. What the developers will do when the testers identify this particular defects or problems in the software and assign to them, developers have to fix these defects. Fix these defects. Developers have to fix these problems in the software. Okay. So developers will start fixing this defects or problems in the software as reported by the testers or identified by the testers that are identified by the testers. Once the developers complete fixing this particular defects, they will inform the testers that these defects or problems identified by you in the software are now resolved and fixed. And then assign this particular defects back to the testers. Developers will assign this particular defects back to the testers. Now, testers' turn will come. What the testers will do? Testers will again cross-check whether the defects which are stated as fixed by developers are really fixed by them or not. If they are really fixed, testers will finally close this particular defects. So what will happen? Because of this process of where testers have identified the problems in the form of, and reported them in the form of defects and assigned to the developers, and developers have fixed these defects and assigned them back to the testers after fixing them, and testers have again rechecked them to see if they are really fixed, and if they are really fixed, testers are finally closing the defects. What is the outcome of this? Because of this, the problems in the software will get resolved, right? That will indirectly improve and increase the quality of the software. So it is achieved. The main agenda of software testing is to improve or increase the quality of the software. It's not about simply identifying the problems, guys. There is a reason why testers are checking problems in the software. What is the main reason why testers are continuously identifying the problems in the software? If the developers have not developed the software in a proper way, why the testers are continuously or constantly finding the problems in the software with an intention of indirectly improving or increasing the quality of the software by getting these problems identified, reporting them in the form of defects to the developers and getting them fixed by the developers and finally closing them. This will indirectly improve and increase the quality of the software, which is a main agenda of software testing. So hope guys you understood what is the purpose of software testing in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.